Okay, viewers, and for you today I have another eBay purchase. This is a Great Britain farthing set. It's a book that has several different farthings in from the year 1902 to 1936. And I paid $23.98 for this. So let's see if it's worth it. Okay, well, that's nicely packaged in bubble wrap. Great Britain Farthings, collection 1902 to 1936. It does look like it's a complete book here. From 1902 to 1936. Gotta love it when autofocus works right. Well, they look like they're in really good condition. So it's a trifold book. Okay, I've taken 3 of the coins out of the coin holder just to look at them and see what the prices would be. The 1902 is worth about $7.50, 1903 about $7.50, and 1917 about $10. Although on the 1903 I can see a little bit of copper corrosion there at the top. So maybe I need to clean that up a little bit, just using non-damaging methods on the coin. See if we can get rid of that so that corrosion doesn't spread further. So I'm not going to go through the entire folder of coins there, but I will give you a list of what they're all valued at. So I think that the fact that I spent about $23 on this coin set, and you can already see in the first couple coins there, we pretty much made back that money. So in looking at the guide, these first two should be 2.83 grams. So let's see what we've got here for weight. 2.9. Which is right on what it should be. 2.9 again. And 3.0, so all within the ballpark of what they should be. So this is the reverse, and it says that this is the seated figure of Britannia facing right, trident in left hand, shield with Union flag in the right, denomination above the C behind, and the date on the bottom. All of these coins, of course, are from when King George was in power. Let's try some different lighting levels, playing colors. And we'll show you the obverse. It was intended to be the real face of the coin. So all in all, a really good investment. And I'll give you a list here in the end of what all the coins are and what the value was. So if you like. Okay, here are those 3 coins again after I cleaned them up a little bit and tried to get rid of the copper corrosion. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.